Good morning, KGs. Welcome to our online learning class. It's our math time. Today, we will answer a revision worksheet. The topics covered are analyze and compare 2D and 3D shapes, describe objects by different attributes, addition and subtraction expressions and equations, skip counting, and telling time. But before we proceed, let us review first these topics. First, analyze and compare 2D and 3D shapes. Again, what are the 2D shapes? We have triangle, square, circle, and rectangle. Very good. How about the 3D shapes or the solid figures? Cube, cylinder, sphere, and cone. So please remember these 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Next, let us proceed in describing objects by different attributes. Let us recall that we can compare and we can analyze objects by describing their length, height, capacity, and weight. When we say length, it means we will describe an object if it is long or short, or if an object is longer or shorter than the other. When we say height, it means how tall or short a person is or an object is. When we talk about capacity, this means how much a container can hold. Basically, the bigger the container, the more liquid it can hold. And the smaller the container, the less liquid it can hold. When we say weight, it means how heavy or light an object is, or if an object is heavier or lighter than the other. Now, let us talk about addition expressions and equations. So take a look at this example, an addition equation. So I have here 2 plus 3 equals 5. What is this sign again? Yes, it's plus sign. And the other one is equal sign. Please remember that the two numbers are called addends. These are the parts of a whole. And what do you call the answer in addition again? Yes, you are correct. Sum. So, this addition equation, 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the sum is 5. And that 5 is also the whole of this equation. Now take a look at this example. Dana has 2 bananas and 4 cherries. How many fruits does she have in all? Remember that when you hear or when you see the word in all, that means or that is a clue that you will use addition as the operation. So this means that you will put the things together. So let us identify first the given, 2 bananas and 4 cherries. If we will write an addition equation used in this story, it would be 2 plus 4 equals, let's take a look if it is 6. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So altogether, how many fruits are there? Yes, you are correct. 6. Again, the addition equation is 2 plus 4 equals 6. Just remember, when we say addition, you will use this sign, the plus sign. And what will you do again? You will put them together. Very good. Now, let's talk about subtraction equations and expressions. This is a subtraction equation. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So take a look at this sign. This is minus sign, and this is an equal sign. First number in subtraction equation is the minuend. Please remember that the minuend is the whole part in addition equation. Second number is a subtrahend, and the answer in subtraction equation is called difference. When we say subtraction, we will take away a part of a number, or we will cross out. Now, let's see this example. Khaled has 5 apples. He gave 3 to his brother. How many apples does he have now? So, the given is 5 apples. Now, he gave 3 to his brother. So what will you do? Yes, you will subtract. So 5 minus 3. When we say subtraction, we will take away, or we will cross out. So let us do it here. Cross out how many apples? 3 apples. And how many apples does he have now? It is 2. Very good. So the subtraction equation in this story is 5 minus 3 equals 2. Very good. Let's proceed to skip counting. It can be skip counting by twos. In skip counting, that means that you will jump. So this is the pattern in skip counting by twos if we will start by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. How about skip counting by 5? So we will start with 5 and you will jump 5 times. Can you repeat after me? Very good. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. How about skip counting by 10 until 100? So, let's start with 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Very good. Skip counting, it can be by 2s, by 5, and by 10. Well done, KGs. Now, let us review telling time. I have here a clock. In a clock again, we can see shorthand and the long hand. The shorthand tells the hour and then the long hand tells the minutes. If the long hand is in 12, it means o'clock. So let's try this example. Where is the shorthand pointing? Very good. In 1. And where is the long hand pointing? In 12. So what time is it? Very good. It's 1 o'clock. How about the next one? Where is the shorthand? 4. Where is the long hand? 12. So what time is it? Yes, you are correct. 4 o'clock. I think you are ready now to answer the revision worksheet. So please be ready with your revision worksheet, your pencil, and eraser. For the revision worksheet, KGs, I will just read the directions. I will give you one example and then try to do it alone. Let's start. First part, analyze and compare 2D and 3D shapes. For letter A, you will name the following shapes first. You will tell the name. After that, draw a circle around 2-dimensional shapes or 2D shapes and then cross out the 3-dimensional shapes. I will give you an example. The first one. This is a rectangle. Is a rectangle 2D or 3D shapes? Yes, you are correct. It's 2D shape. So what will you do? You're gonna circle it. Again, I will repeat. Circle if it is 2D shape and cross out if it is 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, let us continue, but you will do it by yourself. Next picture is triangle. Is this 2D or 3D shape? Next, sphere. Is this 2D or 3D shape? Okay, let's proceed. Cone. Circle, 2D shape. Cross out 3D shape. Next, circle. Next, cube. Next one, square. And cylinder. Okay, just be sure that you do it alone, KGs. Next, letter B. Draw a circle around the picture that is the same shape of the solid figure on the left. So I will give you one example again. You will look at the solid figure on the left and then draw a circle around the picture that is the same shape of that. Number 1, this is a cylinder. Now, take a look at these pictures. Which of the following is the same shape as the solid figure on the left? It's like a cylinder. Which one? Yes, you are correct. A can of cola, for example, looks like a cylinder. Okay, so now for number 2, 3, and 4, please do it by yourself. Number 2 is a sphere. Which of the following looks like a sphere? Circle your answer. Number 3, cube. Which of the following pictures look like a cube? Again, circle your answer. For number 4, cone. Which of the following pictures looks like a cone? Okay, very good. Are you done? Are you finished? Good job, KG. Now, let's proceed to part 2. Describe objects by different attributes. Again, you will draw a circle around the picture that meets the given attribute. Like for example, number 1, the longest pencil. So you will circle the picture that is the longest. Okay, just like that one. Okay, let's proceed to number 2, the taller boy. Again, please do it alone. Which one is taller? Number 3, which of the following holds more or holds more liquid? Circle your answer. And number 4, which do you think is heavier? The apple or a watermelon? Okay, circle your answer again. Are you finished? Very good. Let's proceed to part 3, addition, expression, and equation. I will give you an example. Number 1. Mayar has 3 frozen stickers and 2 Hello Kitty stickers. How many stickers does she have in all? What is the correct equation for this story? Is it letter A, 3 plus 2 equals 5? Or letter B, 3 plus 5 equals 2? Again, what is the correct equation for this story? Yes, you are correct. It's letter A. 3, Frozen stickers, and 2 Hello Kitty stickers. So we have here 3 plus 2 equals how many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5. Very good. Now, for the rest of the numbers, I will just read it and then again, please answer it by yourself. Are you ready now? Let's do number 2. There are 4 apples in a basket. Tam adds 2 more. How many apples are there in all? Is it letter A, 5 apples, or B, 6 apples? Are you finished? And circle your answer. Let's proceed in number 3. Dana has 3 strawberry candies and 4 orange candies. How many candies does she have in all? Is it letter A, 7 candies, or letter B, 8 candies? Circle your answer again. For number 4, you will add the following. I will give you time to do it by yourself. So, just write your answer inside the box. Okay, let's proceed in number 5. Look at the 2 addition equations. Which is the missing addend? We have the first equation, 7 equals 5 plus, what is the missing addend here? And another equation is 7 equals the missing addend plus 5. So what do you think is the missing addend? Is it letter A, 3, or B, 2? Okay, are you done, KG? Very good. Let's do this part, subtraction expressions and equation. Again, I will give number 1 as an example. There are 5 students playing in the playground. 2 of them go back to classroom. How many students are there in the playground now? So what is the correct subtraction equation in the story? So look at this picture. So what do you think is the correct subtraction equation in the story? Is it letter A, 5 plus 2 equals 7, or B, 5 minus 2 equals 3? Take a look at the picture, and also please remember when we say subtraction. So what is the sign? It's minus. So what is the answer in letter number 1? It's B. Very good. So let's proceed in number 2. Hamad has 6 marbles. He gave 3 marbles to his brother. How many marbles does Hamad still have? Look at the picture again. Is it letter A, 5 marbles, or B, 3 marbles? So please circle your answer. Number 3. Khaled has 8 cherries. He ate 2 cherries. How many cherries were left? Look at the picture. Is it letter A, 6 cherries, or B, 4 cherries? Please encircle your answer again. Let's proceed in number 4. My mother bought 10 bananas. I gave 5 to my grandmother. How many bananas were left? Is it letter A, 3 bananas, or letter B, 5 bananas? Please encircle your answer again. Next, number 5. For number 5, I will give you time to do the following. Subtract the following. Again, please write your answer inside the box. Okay, I think you are done already. After this, let's proceed to part 4, skip counting. So for this one, you will complete the following. Number 1 is skip counting by 2. So you will start with 2. For example, 2, then 4. Then 6 is there already, so you will just continue it or to complete the pattern. Number 2, skip counting by 5. For example, 5, then 10. Very good. Then continue it again. And number 3, skip counting by 10. So let's start with 10 and then 20. Then please continue the pattern again. Okay, KGs, I will give the time to finish this all. Okay, next, test 5. This is telling time. So you will match the time to its correct picture on the clock. For example, first one is 5 o'clock. So where is the correct time for that? So you will just draw a line going to the correct time. Very good. So again, please do it by yourself. I will give you more time, KGs, to finish the worksheets. Okay, I think the time is up. And good job for all of you. Well done, KGs. So for that one, as if you're finished already, please ask your mom to take a picture of it and send it to me through WhatsApp. Have a good day, KGs. Thank you.